Hello and welcome to the DM Reports. I'm Dibyendu, an independent business consultant with a passion for helping businesses thrive and achieve their full potential. If you are an entrepreneur, business owner, or someone looking to take their business to the next level, you are in the right place. On this YouTube channel, I will be sharing a wealth of insights, strategies, and practical advice that you can implement to see real growth and results. With my 13 years of experience in the business consulting world, I've had the privilege of working with diverse industries and clients, from startups to established enterprises. Through this journey, I have witnessed firsthand the challenges businesses face and the strategies that truly make a difference. So here is the purpose of creating this YouTube channel. The DM Reports YouTube channel provides specialized expertise and guidance to help businesses achieve sustainable growth and success. We work independently to assist companies in identifying opportunities, addressing challenges, and implementing strategies that drive business expansion, increase profitability, and improve performance. We offer customized solutions tailored to the specific needs of each client. Our role encompasses various aspects of business, including marketing, sales, operations, finance, and overall strategic planning. Our key responsibilities include business analysis by assessing the current state of the business, identifying strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, what we know as SWOT analysis, and understanding market dynamics. Strategy development by creating growth strategies, expansion plans, and long-term visions for the business based on market trends, customer behavior, and competitive landscape. Market research by conducting in-depth market research to identify target audiences, customer needs, and market trends to inform strategic decisions. Marketing and sales by developing marketing strategies, branding initiatives, and sales tactics to attract and retain customers. Operational efficiency by analyzing business processes, workflows, and operations to streamline efficiency and reduce the cost. Financial analysis by reviewing financial data, budgets, and performance metrics to optimize financial management and identify areas of growth. Innovation and product development by advising on new product or service offerings, product differentiation, and innovation strategies. Performance metrics by setting up key performance indicators or KPIs to measure progress and success against established goals. Change management by assisting in managing organizational changes required for growth, including restructuring and scaling operations. Risk management by identifying potential risks and developing strategies to mitigate them. Networking and partnerships by building relationships within the industry and facilitating partnerships that can contribute to growth. Training and skill development by providing guidance and training to company employees to enhance their skills and align with growth strategies. So here is what you can expect from this YouTube channel, the DM Reports. Number 1 is actionable tips. I will be sharing actionable tips and techniques that you can apply directly to your business. Whether it's refining your marketing strategy, optimizing operations, or unlocking new revenue streams, I am here to guide you step by step. Number 2, case studies. I will dive into real-world case studies that highlight how businesses have overcome obstacles and achieved remarkable success. These stories will offer valuable lessons and inspiration for your own journey. Number 3, Q&A sessions. I value your questions and will be hosting Q&A sessions where I address your queries about business growth, strategy, and more. So make sure to leave your questions in the comments. Number 4 is industry insights. Stay updated with the latest trends, industry insights, and emerging strategies that are shaping the business landscape. My mission by creating this YouTube channel is to empower you with knowledge and actionable insights that can make a tangible impact on your business, whether it's offline or online. Remember, your success is my success. So if you are ready to take your business to next heights, Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a valuable video. Thank you for joining me on this exciting journey of growth and learning. Let's build a thriving community of business enthusiasts who are dedicated to achieving greatness. I can't wait to connect with you in the upcoming videos. Until then, keep pushing forward and remember that the journey to success starts with the first step. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.